Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all keeping well and I hope you had a nice Christmas and a good New Year's. So I'm going to do a unboxing video today and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. I have no idea what is in this box. Basically, just before Christmas I ordered a lucky stocking box from Banggood. Now you can have a few different types. I ordered the drone version, so I know there's a drone in this box, but I have no idea what one. So this cost me $19, and what they state is that it's going to be worth more than what you've paid. So I thought I'd give it a go and see what kind of product we get. So I'm going to open it with you guys and we check it out together. Now straight away it's extremely light, so I'm not expecting nothing really special, to be honest, but let's open it up and we'll see what we've got. Okay, cool, that's tight in there. Okay, so yeah, that's not too bad. It's quite cool looking. Eachine E19. Let's have a quick look at the box. Yeah, like I say, it's going to be a basic drone because it is very light, so I'm expecting it to be pretty small. So let's quickly show you some of the specifications on the box. So as you can see, it is tight, like kind of like an airplane and drone mixed together. It has one-click takeoff and landing, high and low speed control, intelligent altitude hold, which is basically it just has altitude hold on the controller, ground and air dual mode, sounds interesting, 360 flips and rolls, and headless mode. Okay, anything else? Basically 2.4 gigahertz, 80 meters range, remote control flight time 8 minutes, weighs 72 grams. Okay, let's just get it out of the box. Okay, so I've got everything out the box for you, and yeah, it's quite interesting. Really small drone, to be honest, but it actually looks quite cool. Quickly go over the manual because I am seeing a phone holder, a mobile phone holder. And the drone does have a little camera on the nose there, so I'm going to quickly go over the instructions just to give it a quick closer look. It's just your basic instructions, shows you the controls, what functions the actual controller gives you and stuff like that. And obviously because it does have a phone holder, you're going to be able to connect it up to an app and do some FPV with it, so that's quite interesting. Okay, yeah, just your basic controller there. I've got the gist of things. So in this bag here you're going to get some spare props. As you can see, quite brittle, to be honest. They feel quite hard, so don't know how durable they're going to be. You're going to get a USB charger to charge your battery, screwdriver, some spare wheels, and a couple of spare screws to hold the props on. So okay, so in here you've got your phone holder, so let's get that out. Okay, and then that would obviously just clip into this somehow. Not, there we go, just like that, and then that would just slide into there and you can put your phone in there. Controller is quite small, to be honest, but not too small. I've got reasonably small hands anyway, and it is definitely usable. You've got a power button there, you've got your automatic takeoff and landing, you've got your 360 flips and rolls up here, and then you've got your trim and res as well. I'm not sure what the res is. This button here would give you your different speed rates, and then this one here is your headless mode according to the manual. It also does ground mode as well, because apparently this can drive along the floor. I'm pretty sure it's going to be rubbish though driving along the floor, because for starters it's really rear heavy, and the front wheel is really stiff. These ones spin okay, but yeah, I'm not expecting it to do hardly anything on the ground, to be honest, guys. The battery itself, let's pull that out. Hopefully somehow I'll be able to pull this out. Okay, cool, that is properly in there, isn't it? There we go. So the battery here, it is just a single cell 3.7 volts 800 mAh LiPo battery. So it is obviously a proprietary battery because of the connector there, but I'm pretty sure I've actually got batteries with that connector, so you might be able to use different batteries. But to be fair, guys, not sure how often I'm going to be using this little drone. I will give it a go obviously, and I will do a full review on it once I've taken it for a flight and stuff like that. That battery is a right pain in the butt to get in there straight away, I can tell that. Okay, you've got a little 720p camera on there. The props feel quite nice, to be honest. They spin quite nice and free. You've got little brushed coreless motors in there, LEDs on the wings and on the rear, so yeah, that's okay. One thing I do like by the looks of it is got a nice little stand here. How would that, there we go, that would go in the stand just like that, and then you could actually stand it up like that. Let's just turn it around, it might weigh a bit better if you do it the opposite way. There we go, that's better. Yeah, that's all right for a little toy. Like I say, I paid $20 for this, so roughly about £17. So what we do, I'm going to quickly jump on the Banggood website and let's actually see how much this costs, and we'll see if I've actually got a good deal or not. Okay then guys, so after having a quick look at the Banggood website, I noticed that you can buy this little thing and it ranges from £26 to £30. So I did get a better deal than if I was to just buy this outright. To be honest, would I have bought this? Would I choose this personally to buy? Probably not, because it is very close to toy grade rather than hobby grade. But if this flies good, then I might change my mind, because it does look really cool. I've got quite a few drones, big drones, little drones, photography drones, toy grade drones, but I've not got one that looks like this, that's for sure. So it is different, it is quite unique. I love the little stand it comes with, so it can be displayed quite nicely. So if it flies okay, then it'd definitely be worth the money. So what we're going to do, I will do another video and we'll do some flight footage, and then I'll give you a proper review on it, and then let you know whether I think it is worth ordering. So thanks for watching guys, this was just a little unboxing video for you. Like I say, I hope you had a good Christmas and a good New Year's as well. Thank you so much for watching, but more importantly, happy RCing guys. Take care, bye bye.